Okay, so now that the base is finished, I'm going to be staining the steps in Early American by Minwax. This is the same stain I used for the dining room table that I built. But before I do that, I want to show you a little trick that I did for myself, because now that all the holes are drilled, I need to make sure that I place the correct holes on the correct side of the base. So this is the first step on the left side. This is the first step on the right side. So I marked my boards. I'm going to stain this. I made little sticky notes. So when I'm done staining it, I'll place it down in the orientation that it says on this sticky note. That way I'll know where to put these steps when I assemble. That's my little trick. Hopefully it'll work.